Hey everyone and welcome. The world of artificial intelligence is constantly evolving, and a new development out of China is generating a lot of buzz. It's called Manus AI. Launched in March 2025 by a Chinese startup named Monica, Manus is being described as a groundbreaking autonomous AI agent. Today we're going to explore what Manus AI is, what it can do, and why it's capturing the attention of the tech world. What exactly is Manus AI, beyond the chatbot? Unlike typical AI chatbots that simply respond to your prompts, Manus AI is designed to be an autonomous agent. Think of it as a digital assistant that can independently plan, execute, and deliver results for complex multi-step tasks with minimal human guidance. The name Manus comes from Latin meaning hand or work, reflecting its purpose of turning thought into action. Key capabilities. What can Manus AI do? Manus AI boasts some impressive capabilities. Autonomous task execution. It can carry out complex tasks like screening resumes, creating websites, and producing reports based on specific criteria, all without constant step-by-step instructions. Multimodal processing. Manus is designed to process and generate various data types, including text, images, and code. Persistent task execution. Unlike some AI models, Manus continues to process tasks in the cloud even if you disconnect your device, enhancing productivity. Real-time monitoring. Users can observe the agent's actions in real time through a Manus's computer window and intervene if necessary, creating a collaborative human-AI workflow. Cost-effective operation. Reports suggest that the operational costs for Manus to complete tasks are relatively competitive. How does Manus AI work? The multi-agent architecture. Manus utilizes what's called a multi-agent architecture. Imagine a team of AI specialists working together, each with different expertise. This allows Manus to break down complex tasks into smaller steps and delegate them to the most suitable agent within its system. Why is Manus AI generating so much attention? Several factors contribute to the excitement surrounding Manus AI. Breakthrough autonomy. Its ability to autonomously execute complex tasks is seen as a significant leap forward in AI technology, moving beyond simple question answering. Real-world performance. Manus aims to deliver tangible results, not just generate ideas. For example, it can produce a report recommending properties to buy based on specific criteria. China's advancements in AI. The emergence of Manus is another indicator of China's rapid progress and ambition in the field of artificial intelligence, potentially positioning it as a major player. Strategic partnerships. Manus AI has reportedly engaged in strategic cooperation with Alibaba's Qwen team to better serve the needs of Chinese users. Potential impact and future implications. The development of autonomous AI agents like Manus could revolutionize various industries, including business process automation, automating repetitive and complex workflows. Data analysis, efficiently processing and analyzing large datasets. Software development, assisting with coding and software creation. Content creation, generating various forms of content with minimal human input. Some experts believe that rather than replacing jobs, Manus and similar AI agents will create new, highly specialized roles focused on AI management and prompting a shift in the skills employers seek. Conclusion: a glimpse into the future of AI assistance. Manus AI represents an exciting step towards more autonomous and capable AI assistance. Its ability to handle complex tasks with minimal human intervention showcases the rapid advancements happening in the field of AI and highlights China's growing role in this technological revolution. Outro. What are your thoughts on Manus AI and the potential of autonomous AI agents? What tasks would you like an AI like Manus to handle for you? Share your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching.